Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, and today we will understand the message of Quran with a very beautiful surah that explains the day of judgment that will definitely come, as it's a aqidah of every Muslim. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Today we read Surah Al-Qariah. Surah Al-Qariah is the 101st chapter of the Quran. It is a brief yet powerful surah that draws the attention to a significant event in the hereafter. It is known as the striking hour or the calamity. It consists of 11 verses and it emphasizes the profound impact of the event that will affect all the humanity. Surah Al-Qariah delivers a profound message. This striking hour, as the surah stresses the certainty of a significant event in the future, referred as the striking hour or the calamity. This surah contrasts the transitory nature of the material world with the eternal consequences of one's deeds in the hereafter. The imagery of scattered moths and the mountains like wool emphasize the upheaval and the insignificance of worldly achievements in comparison to the magnitude of the forthcoming event. This surah introduced the concept of the scales of deeds, where each person's actions will be weighed. This underscores the idea that the individual will be judged based on their own deeds, emphasizing the personal responsibility. This surah describes the reward and the punishment depending on the weight of one's deeds. Individuals will either experience a pleasant life as a reward for good deeds. So they will spend their life in Jannah, and Jannah is the place of everlasting peace, comfort, happiness, and every blissful blessing of Allah Almighty. But the people whose sins are more heavier than the deeds, so they will face a difficult existence in an abyss as a consequence of shortcomings. This surah concludes with a vivid description of the punishment awaiting those with lighter scales, intense and scorching fire. They serve as a powerful warning about the severity of the consequences. So, Surah Al-Qariah calls upon individuals to reflect on the transit nature of the worldly pursuits, recognize the significance of their deeds, and prepare for the inevitable judgment in the hereafter. It emphasizes the importance of leading a fire in accordance with moral and ethical principles to attain a positive outcome in the life hereafter. So may Allah bless us.